What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk to you about ticker MKDW. Huge momentum today. I want to break it down on what shorts are doing, some key levels to really watch for, and everything else. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and with that, let's get right to it. So currently it is up 385%, low of 22 cents, high of $1.20. No official news associated to them today, no SEC filings. There was a issuance and their earnings recently, but that's pretty much it. Aside from that though, it is because they are based out of Taiwan, and what came out earlier today was the fact that Taiwan was not going to retaliate against Trump's tariffs. And so even though it's not directly correlated to this company, that is one of the biggest influential factors why it is moving higher, because we've seen what happens if you go against Trump, as what happened with China. Just announced today that Trump is going to potentially hit back against China with an additional 50% tariff. So I think Taiwan is doing the right move just to kind of take a step back, so essentially a lot of their companies can continue to thrive. So that is why it's getting a lot of volume today. It's on a lot of big radars, and at the end of the day, this is somewhat a pure squeeze play. And what I mean by that is currently there's 56,000 shares overall being shorted. So it's a low float stock. So initially, for face value, looking at this, it's not a squeeze play, but cost to borrow average is 373.54, and currently there is 0 shares available to be shorted. So definitely it's a unique circumstance. And what I mean by a pure squeeze play is the fact that there is no actual options. And normally in cases whenever stocks have options and it is heavily shorted, you have shorts able to hedge with options. And with no options, it kind of eliminates that hedging. So a lot of the shorts that are in this stock, even though there wasn't all that much, they're pretty much at the mercy of the broader market. So big money has, even aside from that, selected this stock to really park their money, swing trade it, and stuff like that. So let me know your general thoughts. Aside from all that fun stuff though, there's no point really analyzing the chart. Aside from today's real run, it was more on a downward slope. But aside from that though, there really isn't any other news other than that geopolitical kind of stuff that associated to tariffs. So this one is a unique stock. A lot of money is getting in. So if you're looking at trading it, I would suggest kind of just watching a lot of these classic ones. So with it right now at 81 cents, it is trading between this R3 and this R2. So 66 cents is going to be a strong support, followed by 48. Flip side, 95. So I do feel that it could easily have a nice secondary push to that 95-cent mark. Did have a high today of $1.20, which was good. That was, I did get that nice boost up when that rumor did come out about how Trump was going to pause all tariffs except for China for 90 days. So it kind of got artificially pushed higher. But even aside from that, if you're looking at swing trading it in the next couple trading days, just kind of take note of some of these strong support and resistance points. But all in all, pretty exciting stock. So let me know your general thoughts. Do you own it? Do you sell it? Is there any other speculative points that you feel why the stock is really moving higher? And everything else. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And then one final thing, pop over to my Patreon if you're looking for some kick-ass buy signals, stocks, options, crypto. Definitely worthwhile to pop over there and take a look. With all that, appreciate all of you watching.